topic, let's see about the browser stack integration with the Playwright. So if you go, you search in Google browser stack integration with Playwright or all the integrations, you will see this page. They have mentioned about you can integrate browser stack in different ways. First of all, what is browser stack? The browser stack provides you infrastructure to run your test cases either manually, like cross browser, or on different devices, different operating system combination, different browser combination, different device combination, all those things. And there are a lot of other capabilities also. So as of now, we want to run our test case, the Playwright test case. It is asking me something. Get started, I'll say. So yeah, it is asking me that what kind of test cases you have. So I have Node.js test case, correct? And so it's saying view documentation. Okay, let's go. No, I am not new to this. It's still, no, this is automate with Selenium. No. Wait. I want to do with Node.js. I don't know why it is not selecting it. Anyways, are you able to see? Okay, I have to select Playwright from here. Then this Node.js, yes. And there are documentation what you need to do. So there are documentation about SDK, or in different ways you can do it. But basic thing, once you read this documentation, you will get to know that they provide you one API key. So if I do a sign in with their account, so I'm using my account, let's say, to sign in with the Google. You can create your account with browser stack. Okay. So I will, it's a bit slow, but that's fine. I want to, no, it's not correct. Let me close it. Let me close it. I have one account basically. I'm checking it at my end. So browser, or you, meanwhile, you create your own account. I'll go to my account. Browser stack. Okay. Yeah. Let's sign in. And they have their GitHub example also. So in GitHub, if you will search browser stack Playwright, you will get one repository which you can use. See here, I am logged in. So I am logged in as what? Where is my thing here? I'm logged in anyways. So here you will be able to see your profile. Again, go here, settings. This will give you one API key, right? So some access key, and see here API key. I have something for me. You have to create your own so that you can connect your test case to the cloud, their infrastructure. Okay. So see here, I have already connected it, but how to do that thing? So they have one example. What are the things needs to be done that I am going to show you. Let me close everything. In our project, you have to add browserstack.yml file. And in the YML file, you have to provide your username and access key. Don't provide mine. You have to provide your own. That's it. And then here you can provide on what platform you want to run. So I want to run in three different um, browser. In OS, I want to run with Ventura. Safari WebKit means Safari. Windows 11, I want to run any browser version. It's up to you. So platform you can give multiple things like, you know, Samsung, Google Pixel, all those things. So there are capabilities you have to provide, especially for thing, what operating system, what is that version of the operating system, what browser name and what browser version. It's like this. That's it. Here, uh, somewhere in package.json, you will see that what you are executing. So script here you can say, you know, whatever you want to say. Let's say test. Just say uh, test on something. Just give a name and then there is will be a command. So this is running a command which you want to run. Here, when you are running with the browser stack, you just have to provide your config file. Okay, this is JavaScript example, but that's it, nothing else.
Nitish, where can we copy the browserstack.yml file?
In your folder structure at the outside, where we have config file and all, there.
Yeah, but inside we have to write ourselves, or
It
did you
is
copy
given by
paste?
the browser stack.
Where is it? I can't find it in documentation.
You will get it once you will log in. Once you
Yes,
see
I
the
logged
playwright
in.
example, you will get it. If you're not
Playwright
able to
example.
see, you just go there to their GitHub. So let's go there. They also have their GitHub uh, thing. So let's search in GitHub browser stack, browser stack. Right. There is one repository, this one. Uh, it should be, the main thing is it should be provided by the browser stack. People have given a lot of things. I think this one only. And I'm checking. Is it the one? No, no, no. I can check it quickly. Hold on. So that's there in my D drive. Um, where is that? Yeah, the name is Node.js Playwright. Okay, Node, not in D drive. Somewhere I have put. I forgot where it is. Okay, okay. Some repository. I forgot where it is, but the thing is, it's there with the Node.js Playwright browser stack. That is the name. Node.js, not this one. This one. Okay, this one. And there is browser stack YML file, this one. That you have to keep. See here, you have to provide username and access key. And then where you want to execute. So there is, again, YML files are generally related to what are the jobs you want to run step by step, what platforms you want to use and all. This one, same thing. Done. So you will be adding this thing in your project and then you will be providing what you want to run. So see here, it's somewhere it will say that what you want to execute. Uh, Once it is done, go back to browser stack and here, yeah. Once you will execute it from terminal, so this will be executed on cloud. It will not run on your local machine. Okay, hold on. There are a lot of things it is opening. Uh, yeah, don't want to see this. Let me minimize it. So browser stack you want to see, right? Command also they have provided what command you should run. Somewhere, not this, sorry. Somewhere in their documentation, you will see that what needs to be done. I'm again checking here. And here is the playwright. Get started. And SDK documentation. Let's say get started. Yeah, run a sample build, integrate your. So these are the things they have provided. What you have to do. You can integrate your test suite, run a sample build. I am going there. Yes, I was talking about this. Then if you go down here. Yeah, yeah, it's saying, see here, these are the steps. Take their code from here, go to this folder, then just say npm install. This is just for an example. You don't have to do all these things. Just for the learning purpose, do it. See here, these things is there in our framework now. This one, npm run sample test. That you have to run. So I'm copying this and let's go here and I will run this. CLS. Okay. So now it is running some test case. Forget about what it is running as of now. The thing is it is running something based on your YML file. So how it is, it knows that it has to execute that YML thing because in your uh, package.json, you said that when the sample test will be executed, run through this project, browser stack node SDK. So this will pick up your YML file to run and the config part is present here, it is saying, okay. Just for the reference, it's not, you have to provide it. So yes, all the configuration part is here. And there they have mentioned where to execute and all. Right. If you see now, you'll be able to see some lit. So let me go to the dashboard. We are already on dashboard. See here it's saying browser stack build number 6 running. So I executed on my command prompt, but it is running on cloud. Okay. So it is still running those test cases. And once it is done, actually, 100 minutes is free. See here, your free plan comes with 100 minutes. You have 72 minutes remaining. So by default, it gives you 100 minutes of execution, but then your company has to purchase the license. So it is executing the test cases. See here, it is running on Firefox, Windows 11, their system, not our system. Okay. So it is running all those test cases, and once it is executed, it will show the report. It will show you the report, video, screenshot, everything once the execution is done. So this is executing on our loop, means the command we have given here. See here, it is still executing, but it is executing on the cloud. See here, all passed, completed, and you can download the report. You can see the report here also. So if I click here to see the report, I'll be able to see the video, how it has executed. It will show me the step-by-step thing, same thing, playwright thing. Whatever we have done, one by one, it is showing everything. You can see the network logs if there is any. You can click on others to see the console logs if you have printed something. You can see the playwright logs here also, like command prompt, what we see one by one. And screenshot. I am sure that there is a screenshot. Hold on. Yeah, so text log is here. If I click here, it will show me at 10:08 what happened. At this time, what timestamp what happened, or I can see the whole video if I run this. Okay. It's a great capability. See here, this is showing me that B stack demo thing only for the checkout part. And these are the device capability it is showing, that where you have executed. Screenshot. So video is there, I'm sure screenshot is also there. Like this. Somewhere you will see the screenshot also. If it is on. So if it is on, all the screenshot for every step will come. Generally, we don't need it because video itself is there as an evidence for the pass and fail thing. So it is there, 13-second video is there. Visuals. Yeah, showing everything. Yeah. So you have to learn about browser stack, dashboard also a bit, how to use it. But very basic thing is it gives you access key. The simple thing is it gives you one access key and username, which you have to add in your project in the browser stack YML file. Okay. So browser stack YML file, you'll be providing it that this is the username access key. Now, when you run npm run whatever command, when you run, here you are mentioning that what will be your config file. First of all, somewhere you have mentioned that which one will be your config file, right? So you have to provide the source, your own project name basically. And at package.json, it's very simple. All the things are there. At script level only, you are saying that, hey, I want to run with this configuration, right? Your config file, you're providing it. It's simple. Test means it's running all the test cases present inside your test folder. Nothing new. Test directory is this. Yeah, simple one. Done. If you need more help, you should connect with the browser stack team. They'll be happy to help you, because if you have a license thing, right? Obviously, they will help you. Their support team will help you to set up the whole project itself. So once you have your Playwright project, you connect with the browser stack team saying that, hey, I have my Playwright project. I'm able to run in my local. Now I want to run in your browser stack infrastructure. They will tell you that what are the things needs to be done. one by one. And it's very smooth thing. It's not very hi-fi thing. Yeah.